So I bought this from Target because I never really paint my nails and I just kind of wanted to see how they came out. They were like $7 and the colors looked kind of pretty. And I wanted to see how hard it was to apply it and how do they hold up. So I've put them on. I haven't used all of them. It comes with 32 strips. And they look pretty decent. I mean, I don't really paint my nails or anything, but they look pretty. Look at the colors. I tried to get the cuticles as close as I could, but, you know, from afar, no one's going to notice. You can't tell from afar. So this is day 2 of wearing them. They are holding up okay. So I don't know how many days they say you're supposed to get out of wearing them, but they look pretty decent. I feel like they're okay. Like, I feel like if my hand was more steady and I could have gotten these cuticles more cleaner, then it would look more like professionally done. But they still look really, really good. And they're great like if you're gonna go to like an event and you don't wanna like go to the salon, you just wanna do this at home. And it doesn't take very long either. So I think I'll probably buy this type of thing again, you know. Yeah, especially if I'm going somewhere.